Microlution specializes in high precision machines for small parts, and in particular making very small features on small parts. The smaller we can make the moving parts of the machine, the faster we can make the machine move in general. The smaller the machine, the less floor space and less cost it has for the customer. We needed a very small, compact solution, but also something that we could make hold up to the rigors of the industrial environment that our machines go into. One technology for rotary tables is to use a motor to drive some sort of gear. And the problem with that for our use is that the motor is disconnected from the load of the stage, and so any backlash in the gear leads to some level of inaccuracy in the table. The direct drive allows us to reduce the cycle time of the process. If the part has multiple features and you have to move, the amount of time that you're spending moving is time that they're not adding value to the part, it's just part of the cycle time. The direct drive rotary table enables us to speed up the process by 10 to 20%, more parts per hour, better return on investment for the customer. The Yaskawa products are very nicely packaged motor to drive. It's a very easy setup process in general. We've been able to do everything pretty much on our own. The control brand that we use communicates very well with the Yaskawa drive as well. In general, the setup is quite easy. We've been very happy with the Yaskawa products, and we foresee continuing to use them in our products into the future. Ultimately, it leads to better return on investment for our customer in the machine.